Hey guys, it's me. I have a video for you guys here today. This is Kit Kat. Whoop. Nope. Okay, something's wrong. Whatever. It's a Kit Kat Rollo flavor by Nestle, and this is from Candy Fun House, so you can go purchase that stuff from there. They have lots of choices and from several different countries like Germany, I think Japan, China, and US and Canada, obviously, and England, I think, UK. Yeah, they have lots of choices to choose from, so you can go there. So without further ado, let's just... And remember, when I taste these things, I don't sit down and eat everything. That's why I'm just having a little bit. So that's what it looks like inside. It's a chunky Rollo. So tastes very good. I mean, it's almost like a regular Kit Kat, but there's caramel in it. So it tastes a bit different, but sort of the same. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. If you made it this far, write in the comments Kit Kat. All right, and I'm very happy that it's not winter anymore here where we are. All the snow is gone. It's warming up. My pool is open. So yeah, and yeah. I hope you all have a great day and great summer, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.